on. Someone's speaking in your pocket. They're speaking to you.
Got two, sit on that thing. Alright, don't make about a mistake, see that? Right.
Hello? Okay, so these are Gemini buggies. Yeah, lads. So Gemini buggies. So there's not an elegant way to get in them. So just put your left leg through the little bar, put your right leg in, sit on the outside, bring your other leg in, slide in.
Right, yeah, I was being somewhat low.
Put your foot on the brake.
Roll in, we'll put your
Put your thing in.
We've got jaws alive.
Yeah, I have got a pair. Then we'll put your harnesses on. Okay, and then when you're in, stick your wrists through these, just in case you hit a tyre wrong. Okay, and then I'd advise you to drive at 2:45. Don't drive with your hands up here. This track is bouncing horrible. It really is hard work. Okay, so once you've been out, done a few laps, when we pull you in, just ease yourself into the pit lane. We don't like getting run over. We'll undo your buckles and then change you over.
You got a crane?
Yeah, we have. Honestly, we'll go and get one. Okay, so your track is out of here up to the far chevron, and then across the back to the red sign where it says brake hard. Now, most of you won't be able to plug your brakes in. Just lift off the throttle and balance the car in, just let it go afterwards. If you're braking, you're just going to slow yourself right down, so don't ride your brake. On your brake or on your throttle. When you've done a few laps, you'll get used to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put you out for your warm-up laps. We'll put 2 at a time. We'll do a few of those, then we'll get you in for your time lapse, your fastest lap of the day. Wins! Alright, anybody, someone else get in here for me?
We've got to do it now.
Get it. Go on in, get it.
With some butter.
Right, mate. Yay! Oh! Davey, is that way it does gaining weight, man? I don't think you need a seatbelt.
In case you're probably tired, instead of walking around the track. Question Jamie, what do you do with white
First lap. That looks uncomfortable. Hey?
Someone stuck a tyre right in the middle of the track already.
Where?
He's just bobbing in that corner. The orange.
Are you thinking, ow, 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 ow?
These are really hard work, like.
You don't want to go in that edge.
Oh no, Jay. What? Lost my phone. Yeah. So now I've lost all my Angry Birds. Oh, start again.
Step on the way around. Here you go. I'll get out of
You don't look that bad, you know, from here.
Yeah,
You know when you're in there, you had to go in.
Fucking another level, mate.
Oh, well then.
I felt like a fucking...
It looks smooth as out from here. When you're in it, what's that jump? You don't look that bad from here. Oh, you're ready to get in it. When you're in the front, mate.
These are all 350. They just came out this
Cement mixer, that's
Looks like you're going that slow. When you're in it, it feels like you're standing around.
Huh? Mate, there's loads of stuff around the farm. I'm getting all the demijohns out ready for the clones and all sorts. See what? All going stuff. Massive, aren't they? Not too bad. Get closer. Yeah, there's another one. They go round back.
Filmbox gone quad.
Round back.
Flying through, he flipped the filmbox back. Obviously I wasn't driving anyway. Oh, see you dude! I see you laughing.
Sent me off to the petrol station. Right, 2 more with helmets. Do you have a bin? Oh! Fucking hard work out there, aren't they?
Come on, mate, big dog, do it. Abbott arms in it. I don't think I feel like I'm trying to do it.
What?
Feels like doing 100 miles an hour, doesn't it? It still feels rough as hell. Yeah.
Back up, you're winning, Tony. You're winning it.
I am.
Some butter.
Show him how it's properly done. Fucking Jesus.
I felt like I was going fast, so I can't wait to get to the lap bit.
I'm better with steering wheel now.
Hey?
When you get to
I'm better with steering wheel in my hand.
I need to come off there.
So is he.
There's no faster down a bit more, it's faster.
Who's the most thing you're in doing stuff? He's videoing them. Look, this name's on there.
That was no sign, but.
You having a round of drinks on it to be the winner? Because we cannot keep.
I don't let off, I just can't do it smooth.
Whoa! Tyres on it. Yeah, I don't know who's in the orange.
It's Billy in orange.
Roll it.
1 minute 22.
Oh, it's still me, that is.
I mean, I'm in the blue one.
Oh, my first one, aren't Well, we'll do it different, Adam. Well, you go in blue one this time and I go in orange. Yeah. These have gone on. Leave them keys on, lock up. You been doing it, yeah? I'm always understeering on point. You're like that. Straight.
Not one thing that's a
41,
That's what I'm there. It's understeering, then I tried to correct him.
What tyres?
Oh, I've seen you on here. Where's he going? Taking your stuff.
It's been straight off your You weren't there when I had the accident to go-kart, were you?
Hopefully that was scary.
Well, we put these on quad bike, right? In your that go-kart, so I do. With man fucking... the one at Park.
It's fairly consistent, that is.
Remember in your cycle?
Yeah. When you're fucking dangerous, you are. They're like that. Yeah.
Alright, next two, put your helmet on.
I want to wonder why I want that one.
My helmet.
I don't mind what, so this will feel wet, whoever this is.
Alright, we got one.
I don't get a camera. Now it's in that one. Come on, Jamie, catch him. trying his best.
Alright, next two, put your helmets on when you're ready.
Come on, Adam. He ain't got overtaking bit.
Space, I know. The track's bloody.
It's pit lane, look at it.
The whole track needs bloody digging up though, that's the problem.
You'll have to cut corners on them. Yeah.
Put your glasses in your top, mate. If you drop that, you're going to I think you're going to go 4x4ing again. Right? You're going to go 4x4ing after this again. Yep.
I think Robin's down for it.
I mean, that's great. With you and Robin, or me and Robin? Ash.
Missed it? I missed it. One job.
Hallelujah.
Come in! Fucking hell. Come here, mate. Walking with bumps or something.
Right.
One more, one more.
Right.
Billy, we got it mixed up. We've lost count. One more. We missed a lap. I'm sure we hadn't done three. One more.
Oh, brilliant.
Speed, mate. Oh, you could have stopped about 4 laps ago, just taking a piss out of you.
You're not going to be able to walk
So
back
scores then, gents.
You've had 40 laps, you still not come first.
7th is Tony with 46.76.
Who's that?
Tony.
Tony.
6th position is Tom with 41.13.
What?
5th will be Billy with 41.02. This is where it gets really tight. So 4th is Adam, 39.75. 3rd is Stefan, which is 38.83. Ooh, 2nd, 38.19. Which is a really good time to be fair, but Ash taking it home with 37.
Okay,
Well, Ash, get in there.
Now put me in blue one, I'll show you.
Let's go and get a brew. Come on.
Yeah.
Grab your helmets. We'll get you.
Right, you guys. Right, on some straps for me. Right, go when you're ready. Go, go, go.
Stay there, mate. I'm going to do your lap times now. So, just so you don't have to get out and fight, we're going to do your lap times, okay? So, I'm going to let you out 1 lap, and when you come past me the next time, I'll start the stopwatch, and then I'll write you 3 laps around, and your fastest lap will be a winner. So, give me a minute. You told him. 3 laps. Once you go out, 1 opening, and then blow it. Go, when you're ready, young man.
What happened there? Oh.
Good. There you go.
Cheers, pal.
That wasn't too bad. Up until you spin.
Yeah, yeah.
That was best lap with all. That was 52 seconds.
Enjoy that.
Yeah. Enjoyed that bad quad.
Yeah.
Alright, what are you in there?
First 2 laps are going to be I am speed. Enjoy that. Enjoy that. That's not enjoyable at all. That's just paint all the way around there.
I lost it because my arms were killing, you know, because I went back out again. It's like I had a double go.
Please don't get your front of these.
Don't put any more time down.
That last lap? Yeah, can you not put any more time down for 3 weeks?
Last lap.
I'll see how bad it is, and if it's good, I might have to with mine.
When I grow up, I want one of them. Is it reliable though?
Yes, mate.
Is it?
That's sweet. He wants it off me like that.
Does he?
I can't afford it.
Yeah, no, there's only one man. What about gas? So anyway, so we've got 2 Land Rover 90s here. Yeah. He's only just going to make it.
I did, Jamie, I did work for them, so I know I'm fucking airfield, is that? Yeah. You need things on that plane.
Dumpster.
Right, so we've got 2 Land Rover
1996 here, so that's Sue. So she's named after the departed mate. And then we've got Sylvia here, who was my great aunt, and she was a right old battle axe. So I thought this one's a 1986. She came from Bryce Norton. Yeah. So yeah. Sylvia. So actually I bought this. This is a lovely Land Rover because I bought it. It'd never been off-roaded. It was just driven up and down Bryce Norton, and it was just full of grease. They used it as the grease in aeroplanes. So it took me about a week to clean it inside. It had like inch of grease all over it, so perfectly preserved. The great thing about military Land Rovers as well, which I never knew, is that they have a slightly heavier rated chassis. So it does mean you get shaken and banged a bit. So anyway,
it's still on original engine?
No, I 200 TDI'd this. Oh. It had a normally aspirated asthmatic diesel, which was just painful. It was all right in the dry, but in the wet, when with knobblies on it, struggled. So we're going to do everything in second gear, guys, because it's so hard today. We've just had the vintage Caterpillar club in. So it's pretty rough in there, so we'll just go nice and steady. Gary's going to take the lead with 4 of you in there, and I'll just follow on 3 in here. All right, so if you divide yourself up, we're going to do a quick demo drive first, and then you guys can take the wheel. All right, spot on. So whoever wants to be a 3 and then a 4, like
Whoever's passing, you can go in the front.
So Gary, do you think Robin will mind if I have that snow vent off at front?
You can give it a go. I think we're all smashed up on this one. I think we're all been broke at some point.
Fucking hell, you need some heavier duty springs.
Fucking hell. Righto, gents. So it gets a little bit of bounce in the back, as you can be. Keep us a bit of a nice distance behind it, well in front of us or behind us, just in case we fell out on any of the hills or any of the climbs. And once you're through the gates, don't worry about your clutch and brakes, because you're not going to use them unless we're going to slam into something like a gate post or a hedge or something like that. We're not going to go a million miles like we are bombing around, because we're going to place people in the back. And with it being so hard, it's a bit of a hard landed.
So Gary, no disrespect, but he'll show you how to drive it.
Yeah.
He's the desert king round our way.
Desert king?
Yeah.
All you have to do is get our qualifications.
Fucking hell, not many people get that. TD5. It's coming to TD5. 13 inch lift on it. 14 tyres on it. Massive.
Yeah, what are you doing then?
This is a walk in the park for him.
This is a baby.
All you have to do So as you got wheels, don't have to give it too much beans. When you get to the top, just let it roll over, let the engine do all the braking for you.
Actually, I'll piss it around here in that age. Yeah, right.
Have you got lift?
Yeah, it's got bags on it. You can switch it into our further.
Have to bring it in, have a little play at it one weekend.
How much is it for paying price? I'd be going up that.
35 quid a car, I think. If you come around this way, you've got a tight turn at the top.
2 weeks.
And again, moments if you're going down a hill, just like come off your brakes, no clutch, and just like let it just like wobble down on the road to keep pointing in the right direction. If we come up this one, keep well over to the left. There's a sheer drop on the right hand side there. Just have to give it a bit more beans to get over the top. Once you're over the top, you're absolutely fine. Make sure you don't slack up the woods. If we do go down one of these, you can do it in first or second. Like that. So just make sure you're in gear before you go over the top. Just first gear, and you're just going to like no brake, no clutch, no direction, left to right. Engine brake is going to do all the work for you. Oh fuck, that's what
Now, if you come on pay and play days,
yep.
can you make your own tracks?
Yep.
Go where you want?
Apart from the green stuff, because we've got some wild orchids over that side.
Yeah, we're going up there.
Yeah, I think that's where he wants us to start using.
Yeah, make a track now, Jamie, up there.
Mate, you ain't seen some at slopes he comes down on that colliery side.
Oh,
I literally stood on us, stood up, going down. I'm going to handle here.
Yeah.
He's pissing himself because like
I used to have my own 90 and took it to Tommy Breezy. You ever been to Tommy Breezy over in Wales?
I've heard of it.
Oh, it's amazing.
Where?
Tommy Breezy's in Wales, you can get away with anything.
Is that Tommy's farm?
Yeah.
Shut, isn't it?
Oh, is it?
Yeah, he got locked up and then he died.
Oh.
He had no insurance or something. Yeah, we used to go all the time, fucking mint that was.
Yeah, good laugh.
We used to go on motorbikes, like 400 acre or something, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, with I've seen a guy on the club come off his top of the Widowmaker.
Widowmaker, yeah, I fucking got 10 foot off the top of that. Fucking didn't dare come down. And then when I say Widowmaker,
it's scary, isn't it?
it was called Widowmaker for a reason.
Yeah.
People had died on it.
Yeah, there's a guy who rolled off the top, he come off the top of his bottom, was like, stood at the bottom, was like, nah, no way. We moved the trucks from the bottom, and he just come over the top, and he got about, what, a third of the way down, come off. He ended up with like broken arm, broken leg, top bottom smashed bits, the handlebars went through his chin. It was just like absolute nightmare.
There were trucks left all over because obviously they couldn't be recovered. They'd roll them and they'd fucking stay there. Trucks literally all over. He lived in that house, you know house at
yeah, with nothing there on it.
Yeah, they were fucking half a roof, wasn't they?
Yeah.
He lived in that, supposedly. He wouldn't have thought he was, but
Robin's not following me. I'm sorry to get made out. Robin's not going to be here with me. We're going to do like a little bit more fun stuff.
yeah.
Bottom of it. Went through all the cars to keep them out, but it just all fuel wells. Completely rode it and kept on jamming all the floats up and spewing out like 10 quid's worth of juice on the floor every 5 miles.
What engine were in that?
Just for him to TDI, same as this.
Fucking hell, that was harsh going up to Scotland.
Yeah, a bit noisy. You put your headphones on, you're fine. Back then though, when you had mine, it was like, you couldn't buy like Bluetooth jobs.
Ah, yeah.
Like, you know, plug and play stuff. So you used to snap the, used to buy like the old school like kind of metal frame one, snap the doodahs off on them and stick them inside the ear defenders.
Right.
It was spot on. Comfort wise, you get used to being bunched up though, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It gets a little bit sitting here when it gets wet. We have got a 2000, one of the last ones from production on 2015 Defender, but I don't think she's half as capable as these are.
No. That's 2.2 in them, innit?
Yeah, just like horrible and heavy and just.
Sure, the 2.4s didn't stay in them for long, did they?
No.
They were just the first Pumas.
We've had quite a lot of work, but we've had about 3 foot at the bottom of it. So by the time we get to September, we all start to fill up again. Water in at some point. Water in here this year though, oh my word, we've had to pump it out like 6-7 times this year.
Shit, those are in, haven't they?
It's got massive wall over there. Oh, it's just been non-stop, hasn't it? Oh yeah, 7.5 ton horsepower last September. I was like, right, we get it all converted out before the winter comes. And it started raining and that was it.
Yeah.
Got a bit done. It's going to tick over when we get onto the walls, absolutely fine.
When I'm that side, you're better off sitting this side. Don't you start. You better sit with him. There's no good eyeing Adam, man. No.
So what's your afternoon plan then, gents? Back down the pub?
Pistol. Nottingham.
Yeah. Oh, you leaving tonight?
Yep.
So braking clutch, starter up, keys on left hand side.
You make up.
Back towards you.
Yeah, turn towards you. Little look over your right hand shoulder, you're already in second. Off we go.
Right.
I'm not going to worry about the brakes and clutch now. That's it.
Put the key on.
You're on your way, mate.